As far as recommending Homes by Tabor to anyone else, we already have. Being military, I've got a bunch of friends that are moving in, and we've already got one person that is in that process of possibly starting a purchase with Homes by Tabor.
We had 1,000,001 questions, and we got answers pretty quickly, especially, just designing out of state. I think that everyone did a great job.
We've bought several houses in the past, and this is definitely one of the higher quality homes that we've purchased.
Timing worked out correctly in our favor, and it actually went a lot quicker than I thought, the process, how it would actually go. So the floor plans, again, the finishing touches, just quality work by Tabor. My favorite thing about our new home is definitely the kitchen area. I love how open the floor plan is. It has a huge kitchen island where I love to cook, and so everyone just kind of hangs out there.
My favorite thing about the home so far is the upstairs, having an area that we can just send the kids to.
Our experience with the warranty department has been pretty good so far. I feel like in today's world, we're kind of just relying on apps a lot for things. So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, it's just another online app that I need to use, but the response time has been so quick. The online portal was very helpful.